Good morning. Let's deliver one research title Exploring Thermal Conductivity and Gene SIVTM TCI are sensor for A2L leakage detection in HVAC system. Why will leakage sensors for HVAC are be required? Phase down of hydrofluorocarbons HFCS and GWP regulations globally require change of refrigerants in HVACR and heat pump application. Current alternatives to existing refrigerants mildly flammable A2L category or flammable A3 category UL and IEC standards required leakage detection sensors for A2L and A3 refrigerants depending on the refrigerant load. Sensor Element Infineon offers refrigerant detection system customer partner assembled HVAC customer. Infineon plans to offer sensor elements only and works on OEM their preferred module makers overall to provide refrigerant detection system based on the customer's requirement. For the refrigerant sensing, we focus on the three focus applications of HVAC refrigeration as well as heat pumps. Infineon's portfolio for A1, A2, A3 gas sensing focuses on these applications: HVAC, ATV, commercial, residential, refrigeration, heat pumps. Motivation: phase down of hydrofluorocarbons HFCS and GWP regulation globally require change of refrigerants in HVACR and heat pump application. Current alternative to existing refrigerants mildly flammable A2L category or flammable A3 category UL and IEC standards required leakage detection sensors for A2L and A3 refrigerants depending on the refrigerant load. Current product offering thermal conductivity based leakage sensor for A2L refrigerants. Gas sensor principles PAS photoacoustic spectroscopy. Gas molecules absorbs the light and absorption causes a periodic local change of temperature and pressure which is detected by the microphone. MOX metal oxide resistance increase of the metal oxide semiconductor layer due to the oxygen absorption at surface reducing the gases decrease resistance. NDIR non-dispersive infrared detect increase in transmitted infrared light which is in proportion to gas concentration. TC thermal conductivity measurement of gas thermal conductivity with a thin heated wire. Gas sensor principle TC as the best choice solution lessons. Cost medium, pace, poisoning and false alarm risk, low power consumptions, medium response time, and MOX cost low, poisoning and false alarm risk, power consumption high. NDIR cost high, poisoning, false alarm risk low, power consumption high. TC cost low, poisoning and alarm risk low, and power consumptions ultra low. Thermal conductivity as measurement principle hot wire Wheatstone bridge configuration cross section view of the MEMS triple stack. After the exposure to the gas, TC increases and temperature of the wire decreases. Gens Sieve TM TCI are leakage sensor for A2L refrigerants. Key features: energy efficiency, power consumption, autonomous operating mode, response time, high sensitivity, and a faster response time less than 5 seconds. And thermal conductivity principle, no poisoning effect, extended lifetime 15 years, lifetime, no recalibration or replacement, operating condition, temperature -40, -85 degrees Celsius, pressure 60 to 120 Pascal, humidity 0 to 100%. Now TCIR, leakage sensor, A2L refrigerants parameters are listed. Typical application: circuit board for standalone module used in the RDS. Self-diagnosis feature for GenSafe TCIR sensors like that flash content validity and flash lock status, under voltage detection, brownout detection, communication check, MEMS integrity check, ADC overflow, numerical overflow, contamination check. USB plug, PlayStation using PSOC TM4 CYBC 42478Z1 target microcontroller, compatible with the OCAN evaluation board, dedicated GUI, available TCIB data logger. HVAC demo with the TCIR sensor, CO2 use, CO2 bottle valve. Now GenSafe TCIR board, HVAC evaporator coil, emulate leakage, fan on and increase CO2 level. Webinar. Now the phase down of hydrofluorocarbon, HFC and GWP regulation, globally required change of refrigerant in HVACR and heat pump application. Refrigerant detection systems are needed to detect leakage at an early stage. GenSafe TCIR sensor is suitable to detect the leakage of A2L refrigerants. Thermal conductivity sensor offers the robustness, accuracy, and long time suitable for the harsh industrial environments. Thanks.